So I kind of failed at recording like hardly anything yesterday except for when Anne was attacking me before she had to go to bed. And today's Wednesday. And my computer's all like funky. I'm in a funky place because I have my desk chair and a pillow in there because after I totally smashed into that sign the other day, just completely bruised like everything. Like, I had my hand wrapped up for like 2 or 3 days, and now it's kind of bruised, and the same for my knee, and then it's like all purple, and actually kind of red, which is kind of worrying. I'm not sure what to think of that, because I think it's more red now than earlier, and that's not a normal color for a bruise, so I'm a little worried. Sandra! Oh gosh. Yeah, it's hilarious right now. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, I had to do like another day shift today, and it kind of sucked, because like the past couple of days it feels like more pain to walk. I mean, not as bad as like the night that I first crashed into the sign, because that really hurt. I couldn't barely walk out. But now it's just like really sore and everything. And the internet was out for a couple of days, but it's back again now because Comcast finally came and fixed it after the storm knocked it out. Supposedly it's working even better now. I mean, it seems about the same to me, but I mean, I don't know. Netflix didn't crash half as much as it used to before when I was trying to use it. I mean, Shockwave is still buggered. Other than that, I've just been working on actually writing and stuff, so that I mostly like journal stuff and everything, because once I finally get everything put in there, I can move on to the other one, the Eiffel Tower one, which I'm excited for because it's freaking beautiful. And I need my proofs. My schedule is kind of like weird again this next week too, so I have to go and talk to people, to managers and stuff about that. And hopefully, I talked with Nikki about this, but I'm gonna try and see if she can bring me by like Publix or something, so that I can get money out of my account to give to her to buy her military ball gown dress from her, because she wants to sell it and I love it. And so yeah, that's the thing. And then talking with manager about my schedule. So that's my plan for tomorrow, because technically I am off because I only got 3 days this week. Anyway. I think I'm in the middle of the season 3 finale for Vampire Diaries right now on Netflix. So I need to finish that so I can watch season 4, because that's the reason I got back into it. And crap, more bruises. Ow. Okay, let's stab all the bruises in one go, shall we? It's like my knee and my thigh and my shoulder and my hand. Just stab it. I think that's basically all the things. Och då ser vi bara där är inte dött, ja. Och